Hiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
I think my question to you is, we all know na diplomacy na ang ating pinaiiral since 2016 na napanalunan natin yung arbitral awards. Do you think po at this time, 2026 na do you think na diplomacy pa rin ang kailangan nating i-implement or there should be a stronger stance as the Republic of the Philippines with this issue?
Ginawan pa rin niyang paraan kahit yung mga issues na paulit-ulit sabihin ko, one China policy. In fact, in our Philippine territory now, yung Chinese embassy at yung ambassador. Pero binigyan pa rin ni President. So, yung diplomacy na yung dito pa sa amin, yung patungong Cebu to Fujian, China, meron pa rin agreement. So, talaga, mahirap talaga ang balancing. Pero ang gusto talaga ni President, i-enforce talaga yun ang strict. Kung pwede lang, mag-patrol kanang may mga big ships na tayo dyan sa West Philippine Sea. Hindi natin magawa-gawa kasi na water cannon lang tayo at na lizard. At yun, kanang para ma-forget niya nako yung bagong kanang i-divulge natin about sa sinabi ni Honorable Marcoleta yung sa Senate ba yun or sa interview na yung Philippine rice, yung dating Benham rice is part our Philippine territory. And specifically, it's an extension of our continental shelf in the UNCLCS, United Nations Commission on the Limits of the Continental Shelf, that approved our Philippine claim within the 13 million hectares undersea plateau of our part of our country's territory. Na hindi alam ni Marcoleta na ang Philippine rice daw hindi na part sa UNCLOS. It's very, very part of the Philippine territory, sovereignty at UNCLOS combination.
And by the way, yung Benham rice, if I'm not mistaken, Senator Francis Tolentino, napalitan na ang name. Hindi na siya Benham rice ngayon. Ano na siya? Talampas ng Pilipinas. Yan na yung pangalan niya ngayon. Yeah. I think parang naano siya, napalitan siya last year o 2 years ago. Pinalitan na yung pangalan niya para daw internationally known na siya and it has a Philippine name. Pero
Parang
lampas ng Pilipinas. Oo, at this is under RA 1264 na siya ang nag-author, lead nito. So, okay. So, going do sa mga pinag-uusapan natin. So, ang punto mo is for the Philippines to have a stronger stance, hindi lang diplomacy.
natin sabihin, the balancing act. Kasi we need to be diplomat. Kasi hindi tayo pwede maging ginagawa ng China, ng ibang vlogger, pirates.
Oh.
West Philippine Sea. So we still kanang abide with the law.